Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
To fix slow download speeds on Steam, 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is stable. 2. Change download region. Go to Steam Settings, Downloads and select another region. 3. Limit bandwidth. Set a download limit in Steam Settings to reduce network congestion. 4. Clear download cache. In Steam Settings, Downloads, click Clear Download Cache. 5. Disable background applications. Close apps using your bandwidth. 6. Restart Steam. Sometimes a simple restart can improve speeds.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.